Patience. Hello everyone on 5 minute podcast on Mike having my first chain of thought on patience. A thought first. God has a perfect timing. Never early, never late. It takes little patience and it takes a lot of faith, but it's worth the wait. Patience. What is patience? Patience is a person's ability to keep calm at a difficult situation in his or her life. Patience is to enjoy that particular moment in life which can give positive outcome for the person to grow more in life. It is a trait of a mature person who is likable by many in the society. It shows the person benevolent and warm-hearted. There are many unfavorable events in the person's life which can be avoided if person have patience in life. Impulsive nature will be the one of the biggest reason for the person to fail in life. Impulsive person usually make decision based on the earliest thought that came to mind, but the brain take time to reconcile all aspect of the situation and thus making a precise decision. This impulsive attitude toward life make the person regretful but thus feeling guilty in life. That, my friend, hurt. Trait of a person's patience can only be judged at hard time, where if the person outstay the situation, he or she can easily make things better in that scenario. Or if due to lack of sensibility, the same person react adversely. This impulsive nature, my friend, have consequences which may reflect at present or maybe in future. These impulsive actions may be through words or by deeds, physically or mentally in life. These consequences affect both the lives. Patience is not simply the ability to wait, it's how we behave while we are waiting. There are many successful personalities out there who, after getting rejections, have patience to withstand with their determination to achieve something which is worthy for them to make great as we know them or remember till date. Their hunger and patience are their greatest source of power which sees their win. For example, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born to be a lower middle class family from Ranchi, worked as a TT for 3 years. Then in 2004 he joined Indian cricket team and also served as a role of the most successful captain. He is known for his patience in the field and is also known as Captain Cool. He is inspiration for many for his endeavors. Nawazuddin Siddiqui is one of the finest actor of Bollywood, known for amazing talent. Was rejected due to not having a look like a hero. He didn't give up, moved to Delhi, learn acting, work as a watchman for almost 4 to 5 years, and now he got a strong space in Indian film industry because of his hard work, persistence and never giving up attitude. Patience, my friend. J.K. Rowling, 90,000 word novel manually typed to send it to the publisher, rejected dozens of times. Now we know Harry Potter. Colonel Sanders, at the age of 40, he was fired from a variety of jobs throughout his career before he fried chicken. It took 10 years to perfect his secret recipe, and after many rejections, he finally found a partner to open a chain of restaurant, KFC. Thomas Edison, considered unteachable as a youth, this inventor have tried more than 1,000 times to light a bulb. Give it a thought. If these personality impatiently left their passion to easier way, we may be not talking about them or their achievements. My friend, always remember, not giving up requires certain level of patience. It takes hours, weeks, months or years of trying and perfecting. On the contrary, we should not get confused with negligence, because the person who are lazy or laid back often believe that they have patience as they do not react to the situation where sometimes it is necessary to react. There is a big difference between endurance and lethargy. Endurance is a state of self-control while lethargy is a state of unresponsiveness, which, my friend, is a carelessness which is not needed in life. It will portray a person as worthless. So, my friend, stay vigilant in life and react when necessary, but do not become impulsive. That, my friend, is balance. That, my friend, is maturity. The man who is a master of patience, a master of everything. Be patient is bitter, but its fruits is sweet. Thank you thank you very much for your 5 minutes. Do like this podcast. Help me grow with your review via comments. And if you want to listen more, subscribe 5 Minute Podcast. Thank you.